This one better fucking work.
Stay awake, going back to the old days. I'm falling for you, and I'm trying to stay awake, going back to the old days. Said that you loved me, work 40 hours away, just wanna hold me. I loved you so. Then you had to leave me with no explanation. Why? Going back to the old days, took to the internet, post about a girl you just met. You took to the internet, post about a girl you just met.